Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bradley University, also known as BU. Founded in 1897 by Lydia Moss Bradley, this private university was purpose-built for students' empowerment and self-discovery, delivering an engaging education through practical experiences in a diverse and inclusive environment. Centrally located in Peoria, Illinois, 3 hours from Chicago, St. Louis, and Indianapolis, Bradley's home is the perfect intersection of arts, entertainment, and culture. There's access to music festivals, community gardens, coffee shops, boutique stores, and plenty of diverse food options. There's always something to do in Peoria. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we're going to explore this storied campus to meet real BU students and alumni. We'll hear from aspiring nurses, successful entrepreneurs, and students with wide-ranging interests both on and off campus. The scope of opportunities these students are pursuing is inspiring. Welcome to Bradley University. This is the College Tour.